the first ever episode made of some stories that we developed from Volta region about towns and places that you can visit and be happy and have comfort. And this is another story which will be presented to you by myself. My name is the working photojournalist. You can call me Michael Anyaku. This is an exclusive story on EweTV online. At EweTV, we give you exclusive news and updates from Volta region, ranging from politics, entertainment, sports, and history, like this one. Okay, let's now dive into the story. The unscripted story about Keta. Keta is a town in the southeastern part of Volta region of Ghana and the capital of the Keta Municipal Assembly. That's KMA 2014. Keta is the 63rd most populous settlement in Ghana in terms of population and a population of 23,207. That's according to the GSS 2012. It lies on the Gulf of Guinea of the Atlantic Ocean near the mouth of the Volta River. It is built on a sandspit separating the Atlantic from the Keta Lagoon. Before the arrival of Europeans in the 15th century, the area was part of the African kingdom of Anlo. The settlement was a port for trade in slaves, ivory, spices, and gold. The expanding Asante Empire controlled much of the region by the first half of the 18th century. A Danish fort was built on the site in 1784, and in 1850, when Keta became a British colony, they then sold the fort to the British. That fort is called Fort Pleasantton and is still lying there in Keta now. Until the harbour at Tema began operations to the west in 1962, Keta served as an open roadstead port. Its double waterfront, once an asset to the main occupations of fishing and fish processing, eroded rapidly. During the 20th century, more than half of what have been the area of the town was washed away. Many of Keta's inhabitants moved south along the coast of Tuchelukope. In 1992, the Anlo Keta Lagoon was placed on its list of wetlands of international importance by the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands, and in 1999, work began on measures to limit further erosion and to control flooding of the coastal region. Parts of the town were devastated by sea erosion between the 1960s and 1980s. In 1784, Fort Pleasantton, like most slave trade forts, was built by the sea edge. However, the sea had retreated by about 600 feet by 1907. Since the Keta has begun subject to sustained sea erosion, the Bremen factory and coconut plantation, which were close to the high water mark in 1907, had been swept away by the sea in 1924. Keta Lagoon is the largest lagoon in Ghana and a water area of 300 km square. It is located in a larger wetlands protected area of 1,200 km square. It also has a stopping point for a large number of migratory birds and provides breeding ground for sea turtles. Keta Lagoon, also called Anlo Keta Lagoon, is the largest of the over 90 lagoons that cover the 550 km stretch of the coastline of Ghana. This lagoon is 126.13 kilometers in length. Environmental Protection Agency 2004 listed that. It is located in the eastern coast of Ghana and separated from the Gulf of Guinea by the narrow strip or sandbar. It is further surrounded by flat plains and mangrove swamps. Together, they form the Keta Lagoon Ramsar site, which covers 1,200 kilometers square. There are seasonal inflows of seawater during high tide from the Gulf of Guinea and regular inflow of rivers. The rivers which drain into the sea include the Aka, the Toji River, and Belikpa stream, which enter the lagoon from the north. The lagoon is surrounded by many settlements and towns which include Anlo, Wei, Keta, and Keji to the south, Anyako and Anlo Afiarenyiba to the north, Koji, Alakle, and Tregui to the west, and Denu and Adina to the east. The town is known to be the real hub of tourist attraction and epitome of hospitality, comprising of comfortable places like the Aborigines Beach Resort, Emancipation Beach, Keta Lagoon, Airy Resort Beach, Cape St. Paul's Lighthouse, The Chill, and Meet Me There African Home Lodge. Keta has a lot to offer in support of the tourism sector of the country. Thank you.